So I made about $3,000 this week, and in this video I'm gonna explain to you how I did it, like a step-by-step process. You can see like the profits right here. I made about $2,000 on gold and then another $1,000 on US30, and I'm leaving the gold trade to run till my take profit. So right now it's still floating, but the US30 one, I've closed that trade, made about $1,000. And as you can see, I'm not like, oh my god, I just made $3,000, he. No, I'm just like, chill, like it's just another day in my life. Like I'm used to making this amount of money, right? So I'm just chill. I'm just gonna explain to you like my thought process, because like nowadays winning money and losing money does not really matter to me. Like right now I'm just robotic and disciplined. So out of these profits, I took $1,000 and invested $1,000 into better YouTube equipment for you. I bought a new camera, bought a new microphone, so that I can up the quality of these videos for you guys. Yup, so this is the trade that I took this week. And by the way, I changed my charts. There's a new color on my charts right now, black and blue. Maybe it's the black and blue charts, I don't know man, but like black and blue charts, it just helps me. Yup, so basically you can see like gold has been going up, but then it hit a resistance area and now it came back down. And I drawn like this area here because if you look towards the left, this is actually like a very strong demand zone. Like whenever price is down here, it always reverses. So that is why I have this area marked up right here. So that is why I expected price to retrace and come back down all the way up here. And then I was looking to enter for a buy position somewhere around this area because it also lines up with my Fibonacci, which is the 61.8 extension right here. You can see this is the 61.8 extension right here. So that's like a very strong confluence because my 61.8 level on the Fibonacci actually lines up with like this support area right here. So the first confluence is that price has retraced to the 61.8 extension level. The second confluence is that it also lines up with our support area. So this entire area is our support area. So for the third confluence, I was looking for a candlestick pattern. So I went to the 1 hour time frame and I saw that price actually gave us like this big bullish engulfing candlestick right here. The moment I saw this big bullish engulfing candlestick right here, I knew that price is gonna break out this resistance and it's gonna head back up now. So yeah, my third confluence was this big bullish engulfing candlestick right here. That's not it, I still got other confluence. My fourth confluence was the moving average crossover. You can see at this point of time, this is when the moving average starts crossing over. So I entered like somewhere around here if I'm not wrong. So this is on the 1 hour time frame, and this is why you guys must understand market structure. So price has just been making like lower highs, lower lows right here, right? You can see price lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So you can see the price has just been making like lower highs and lower lows and just creating a downtrend. So the last lower high would be like this area right around here. There's this like resistance area right here. So at this point of time, price has just shown me that price is losing steam. This downtrend is losing steam. It's kind of losing momentum. That's why price is consolidating around here and it's just making like small candlesticks at this area. So I knew that, okay, right now this downtrend is losing steam. The buyers are gonna come back at this support area to take over the market and push the price up so that we can go to the moon. Yeah, so market structure was actually another confluence. So that's like 5 confluence in total. So I was like, okay, I'm quite confident on this trade. So I'm gonna risk about 0.5% of my capital. So I actually entered my first trade right here and risk about $500 on this trade, and then as price goes up, I scale in, right? So in total, I'm risking about $2,000 on this trade, and if this trade actually plays up and hit my overall take profit, I'm gonna make about like, how much is that? $10,000? $10,000. I'm probably gonna make about 10k from this one trade, right? If price goes up and hit our take profit, which I'm quite like confident about unless some news come out and fuck me up. So yeah, I entered for a buy position right here, and the reason I placed my stop loss below here is because like this is the last like higher low. You can see like right here, price comes up to create a new higher low before it goes up. So this is the last higher low. I placed my stop loss a few pips below the last higher low, guys. Remember what I said in like the last few videos. I literally practice what I preach. When I tell you guys to place your stop loss a few pips below it and give it a little bit of breathing room, I actually do it myself. Yeah, so I gave it a little bit of breathing room right here below, a few pips below the last higher low, right? So right now you can see like price is just creating higher highs and higher lows, and it's just creating an uptrend market structure. So I've moved my stop loss to break even right here. So even if I lose this trade, guess what? I just break even. Unlike the last unfiltered trading episode where I actually lose like 1% of my capital. This time, if I lose this trade, I'm break even. Doesn't matter to me. It's a risk-free trade. And then I place my take profit all the way up at this key resistance level because you guys know that I trade from one key level to the next key level. So that's why I place my take profit all the way up here. So now, if this trade goes up and goes according to my plan and just hit my take profit right here, I'll make about $10,000. But if this trade does not go as my plan and it went down instead and I got stopped out, guess what? I actually break even. I'm not losing any money at all. Yep, so right now I'm actually waiting for price to create a new valid higher low. Then that is when I will move my stop loss from here break even into profit. So I'll move it like right here or something. So this will be my new stop loss, right? This will be my new stop loss. So during this entire trend, I plan to scale in multiple times so that I can make money on multiple trades. If you just enter for a buy position right here and just hold one trade all the way up, that's fucking stupid, right? That's fucking stupid. That's why you always want to make sure that you scale in as price creates structure, as price creates your higher highs, higher lows. You scale in so that in this one uptrend, you make a lot of profit. You make profit on multiple trades instead of just one trade. Yep, so you can see right now price is actually making your higher highs and higher lows. You can see this low is higher than this low right now. This high is higher than this high right now. So price is just making higher highs and higher lows. And right now I've just scaled in for another buy position right here. So I enter for another buy position right here, and just like a quick intraday trade, you know, just to like hit my take profit right here, and I'll just get out of the trade. I want to remind you of the movement that we have here. I think more and more people are starting to realize that trading is not about finding the perfect strategy, but it's about mastering yourself, mastering your psychology, mastering your risk management. It's about mastering self-control and mastering your emotions. Now when you go onto YouTube, when you see a video that says 90% win rate, you won't click on the video because you know that that strategy is not actually 90% win rate. Now you know that you are the solution to your trading. Only you can make yourself profitable. No one else can. No strategy can. Only you can. I saw a lot of comments on my videos from you guys telling me that I've changed your lives for the better and you guys make a lot of money from learning from my videos. No, I want to thank you. You have changed my lives for the better. You have made me so much more fulfilled and more happy in my life, because right now I'm helping thousands of people all over the world. I was a fucking nobody a year ago, and now there's like thousands of people watching these videos, watching these unfiltered trading episodes, coming here to watch me talk, listen to me talk, and learning from me. That is such a wholesome thing to see, because like right now I know that my words have a great impact on your trading journey. I really believe that like no one has ever done this in this trading industry. When you see your trading guru posting videos, it's just showing off their cars, their houses, so that you'll buy their courses and stuff. They have never led a movement like we have. This is a movement. That's why I wanted to remind you that this is a movement and we are going to change the entire trading industry together, and I'm very excited for you to be part of this tribe. Right now, if you're watching this, you are in the early stages of this tribe. As the tribe gets bigger and bigger, we're gonna start changing this entire trading industry. And then now people are finally gonna wake up and realize that those videos where they say 90% win rate strategy or how I make $100,000 trading Forex in a day are fucking bullshit. These are not the reality of Forex trading. I'm here to show you the reality. I'm here to forge a new path for you to follow and help you become a successful trader. I just realized I forgot to say welcome to the unfiltered section. So in this unfiltered section, we're gonna talk about, can you actually make money trading Forex? I believe that a lot of you guys will know that the answer is yes. But let me tell you a story. So the other day I was talking to one of my best friends who knows absolutely nothing about trading, but he has this brother who actually trades stocks. So we were hanging out and then he asked me this question: are you actually losing out if you do not know how to trade? I want you to think about that for a minute. Just let that sink in and think about what your answer is. That is a really good question, and you really allowed me to think that, would I have more money if I did not trade? And I really want you to just sit there and think about this question. Would you have more money if you did not start trading? So just now you saw that I've made $2,000 on this gold trade, and in total I've made over 6 figures from trading. But I want you to know that trading has not always been like this. It has not always been this easy to me. In my first year of trading, I've actually lost quite a lot of money. I remember that whatever money that I was earning from my 9 to 5 job would go into my trading account. So it was like a little internship at some big company, so I earned about $650 and I would deposit $500 into my trading account. And then I remember at that time I saw a lot of people like flipping small accounts from $100 to $1,000, so I was like, you know what, I can do this shit too. So I tried to flip $500 to $1,000, then I always end up like making quite a good amount of profits. Like I can put $500 in and then I will make $250 and I'll make another $250. So now I got $1,000. But then that will cause me to become too greedy and too overconfident, and I think that, oh my god, look at me, I just flipped 500 to 1,000. I'm the best trader in the world. Hee. And then I will use a big lot size and bam, I just blow my account. And I was just like, fuck, am I like the worst trader actually? So my emotions was just like up and down. 1 minute I'm the best trader in the world, 1 minute I'm the worst trader in the world. So that is just the reality of trading, and that is what you probably have experienced for yourself. Sometimes when you're flipping small accounts, you will start to see a good amount of money at the start, but then you will end up blowing the account. And then what I will do is that I'll add more money into it, add another $500 into my trading account, and I will blow that trading account. So I was just like in this vicious cycle that caused me to lose a lot of money at the start. Come here, let me tell you a secret. I lost over $10,000 trading Forex in my first year. Over $10,000, guys. That is like small amount of money to me right now, but that is a lot of money to me in my first year. I remember in my first year, I was making $500 per month, and I lost 10k. I was a brokey, and I lost 10k, guys. So that was just like a huge amount of money, and I was so fucking sad when I lost over $10,000. And I knew that I have to change, right? There is something that I have to change if I actually want to become consistently profitable. So beginner's luck is very, very much real in trading. Like you can make a good amount of profits at the start, right? But then you think that you are the best trader in the world, and then you keep trading and then you start losing and the market just humbles you, and then now you think that you are the worst trader in the world. Of course, I made some money in my first year, but I also lost them just as fast because I did not know anything about risk management. So back to the question, can you actually make money trading Forex? The answer is yes, you definitely can. But the real question is, can you actually keep the money that you make from trading Forex? Or are you gonna give your profits back to the markets? So if you are tired of losing money, watch this video right here, and I literally show you like a step-by-step guide on how to stop losing money when you are trading. Click on this video to find out more, and welcome to the tribe. And remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.